Welcome to a closer look at the design Toscano Skeleton Crew Sculptural Mantel Clock, a unique blend of art and function. This clock is hand-cast using real crushed stone and high-quality designer resin for a durable, detailed finish. Each piece is carefully hand-finished by skilled artisans, ensuring no two clocks are exactly alike. It features a modern quartz clock movement mechanism that keeps accurate time and runs on a single Ah battery. Measuring 6 inches wide, 4 inches deep, and 11 inches tall, it fits perfectly on any mantel or shelf. Weighing just 2 pounds, this clock is ideal for adding a spooky touch to your horror-themed living room or Gothic man cave. Elevate your space with a striking timepiece that's both eerie and elegant. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.